equation 1. Okay, so see, let me explain. You are given this equation, so write down these two equations in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Now by equating coefficient method, either you have to make coefficient of y equal or x equal. Let me make coefficient of y equal. So there coefficient of y is 2, there it is 3. So I will multiply this equation by this coefficient and this equation by this coefficient. So we write 3 into equation 1, then 2 into equation 2, they have same sign, minus minus same sign, so I will write minus, subtract. Subtract means change the sign of second equation and simplify. So x is 3. Now this value of x I will put in equation 1. This value of y I will put in equation 1. So equation 1, so 9x, 9 into x, 3. 9 into 3 minus 2y is equal to 13. Simplify this. 9 into x, x is 3. 9 into x, x is 3. 9 into x, 9 into x, x is 3. So you will get 9 3s are 27 minus 2y is equal. We'll see. So 27, we take 13 on this side, minus 13 is equal to minus 2y on the other side plus 2y. 14 is equal to 2y. 14 is equal to 2y. 14 is equal to 2y. Okay. So y is equal to 14 by 2. 14 by 2 is y. So we get y is equal to 7. We get y is equal to 7. We get y is equal to 7. So we get y is equal to 7. Okay. So our answer is, we write answer x is 2, x is 3 and y is 7. And this we have done by equating coefficient method. So either we make coefficient of x equal or we make coefficient of y equal. If they have same sign, then we subtract. If they have opposite sign, we add. And while subtract, we change the sign of second equation. And whenever you subtract, you change the sign of second equation. Okay. So that you remember. You subtract, but you forget to change the sign of second equation. Now second one. 3x minus y is equal to 23. 3x minus y is equal to 23. Okay, this is my equation 1. Because it is already given in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Next, x by 3 plus y by 4. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 4. Okay, so this you simplify. Cross multiply. So 4 into 4x. 4x plus 3y upon 12 is equal to 4. 4 I can write 4 upon 1. Now cross multiply. So 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 into 4, 48. This is my equation number 2. So let us write equation 1 and 2 together. So this is 3x minus y is equal to 23. Equation number 1. Then 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. Equation number 2. Let us make coefficient of y equal. What is coefficient of y there? Yes, what is coefficient of y? 1. Coefficient of y is 1. Remember, this is 1. Y means 1. And there it is 3. So I will multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1. And whether they have same sign or opposite sign? Opposite sign. So we will add. And whenever you add, do not change the sign of second equation. Whenever you add, do not change the sign of second equation. So we write 3 into equation 1. What we write? We multiply equation 1 by 3. So, yes, it is clear. Okay. So we write 3 into equation 1. 3 into equation 1. They have opposite sign, minus plus. So I will write plus equation 2. equation 2 multiplied by 1, no problem, we write equation 2. So 3 into equation 1, multiply equation 1 by 3. So 3 3s are 9x minus 3y is equal to 69. And 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y multiplied by 1, 4 into 1, 4, 3 into 1, 3, 48 into 1, 48. Then what I have written? I have written plus. So I will not change the sign. I will plus 9 plus 4. How 5x, my dear? We are adding, no? So 9 plus 4, 13x. Then minus 3y plus 0. 69 plus 48 is 117. So 13x is equal to 117. So x is equal to 117 upon 13. So x is equal to 9. Put this value of x in equation 1. Put x is equal to 9 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 9 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 9 in equation 1 and simplify. Put x is equal to 9 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 9. Equating coefficient method means we have to make either coefficient of x equal or y equal. And whenever they have same sign, we subtract, change the sign of second equation. Whenever they have opposite sign, we add, do not change the sign of second equation. Equation 1. So what is that? 3 into x is 9, minus y is equal to 23. Okay. So 27 minus y is equal to 23. 27 minus 23 is equal to y. So y is equal to 4. Yes. So our answer is x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 4. This is the answer. X is equal to 9, y is equal to 4. Equating coefficient method. Equating coefficient method. Okay. Now all problems are of same type only. So all of you are having the textbook? Yes? Okay. So instead of writing the question, I can give the question number. 3 you will solve in the same way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4. So question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are same. Homework. I am not writing the question. All of you are having the textbook. So that will save our time. 8. Now let me do ninth one. Let me do ninth one. Yes. Ninth one is different type. Ninth one is different type. So ninth one, 13x plus 11y is equal to 13x plus 11y is equal to 13x plus 11y is equal to 70. 13x plus 11y is equal to 70 and 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. Okay. So now if you see the diagonal, whenever the diagonal coefficients are same, this 13 is same as this 13. Diagonals, this 11 is same as this 11. Okay, so this you have to remember. Whenever diagonals are same, whenever diagonal coefficients are same, you have to first add both the equation. Yes, so this is my equation number 1, this is my equation number 2. Whenever diagonal coefficients are same, whenever diagonal coefficients are same, you have to first add 1 plus 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Let us see what happens. 1 plus 2. So 13 plus 11 is 24x plus 24y is equal to, no, you have to write, my dear. 7 plus 7, 144. You have to write. So 24 is common. So divide each by 24. So 24 into x plus y is 144. Okay. So x plus y is 144 divided by 24. So you will get x plus y is 6. X plus y is 6. And this I will consider as my equation number 3. This I will consider equation number 3. Okay. So whenever diagonal coefficients are same, you will add both the equation and you will subtract both the equation. Get equation 3 and 4. So when I will add both the equation, we get our equation number 3, that is x plus y is 6. So whenever diagonal coefficients are same, you have to get equation 3 and 4. Okay, x plus y is 6. Now equation 1 minus equation 2. Now we have to subtract. 1 minus 2. 1 plus 2, then 1 minus 2. Whenever it is 1 minus 2, what you will do? Here. Wait. No, you can write 1 minus 2. 1 plus 2 and 1 minus 2. Does not matter. 13x plus 11y is 70. Then 11x plus 13y is 74. What I have written? I have written 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 means change the sign. Plus become minus. Plus become minus. Plus become minus. Now see, 13 minus 11 is 2x. 11 minus 13 is minus 2y. Is equal to 70 minus 74 is minus 4. Okay. So you can take 2 common. So 2 into x minus y is minus 4. So you will get x minus y is equal to minus 2. X minus y is equal to minus 2. This is my equation number 4. Now you have to solve 3 and 4. So x plus y is equal to 6 is my equation number 3. X minus y is equal to minus 2 is my equation number 4. Now use elimination. Plus y, whether they have same coefficient, 1, 1, yes, 1, 1 same coefficient. So I will write 3 plus 4. Now the coefficient of y are equal, no, 1 and 1. The coefficient of y are equal 1 and 1. So you can write 3 plus 4. You will write 3 plus 4. So equation 3 plus equation 4. Because they have opposite sign. Equation 3 plus equation 4. They have opposite sign, no? Plus and minus, coefficients are equal. You add them. X plus x, 2x. Plus y minus y, 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. So you will get 2x is equal to 4. So that will give you x is equal to 2. Now put the value of x in equation 3 or equation 4. So put x is equal to 2 in equation number 3. Put x is equal to 2 in equation number 3. You will get x 2 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 2. So y is equal to 4. So our answer is x is 2, y is 4. Answer is x is 2 and y is 4. So this type of problems you remember, whenever diagonal coefficients are same, you have to get equation 3 and 4. How we get equation 3? 1 plus 2. How we get equation 4? 1 minus 2. So remember, whenever diagonal coefficients are same, you have to follow 1 minus 2, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 get equation 3 and 1 minus 2 get equation 4 and then solve 3 and 4. Okay. So whenever diagonal coefficients are same, you have to add both the equation, get equation 3, you have to subtract 1 minus 2, get equation 4 and solve 1 and solve 3 and 4. Okay. Then 10th one is same. 10th one is same. Yes or no? Yes. Te- tenth one, the diagonal coefficients are same. Tenth one, the diagonal coefficients are same. Yes. So tenth one, the diagonal coefficients are same. So tenth will be homework. Exercise 10 will be homework. Okay. Now let me do 11th. Let me do 11th. If 2x plus y is equal to 2x plus y is equal to 23. 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 And 4x minus y is equal to 19. 4x minus y is equal to 19. Find the value of x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. Okay, so this is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. Now the diagonal coefficients are not same. There it is 2, there it is 1. There it is 1, there it is 4. So we follow directly. Elimination by substitution. What is coefficient of y? 1. Y 1. Coefficients are equal. They have opposite sign. So I will write 1 plus 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. 1 plus 2. Yes. 1 plus 2. So 6x plus 0 is equal to 42. So 6x is equal to 42. 6x is equal to 42. X is equal to 7. Now put the value of x in equation 1. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. They have opposite sign, so we have added. And whenever you add, do not change the sign of second equation. So put x is equal to 7. So 2 into 7 plus y is equal to 23. So 14 plus y is equal to 23. So y is equal to 23 minus 14. So y is equal to 9. So now we have x is equal to 7, y is equal to 9. We have x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 9. Okay. Now which values are asked? Find the value of x minus 3y. X minus 3y. You just put the value of x and y. X is 7. Minus 3 into y. Y is 9. So 7 minus 27. What is 7 minus 27? Minus 20. So x minus 3y is minus 20. X minus 3y value is minus 20. Find the value of 5y minus 2x. 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 5y minus 2x. What is y? Y is 9. 5 into 9 minus 2 into 7. That is 45. 45 minus 40. That is 31. So 5y minus 2x is 31. That's all. So first we solve the equation by equating coefficient. Then 12 will be homework. 12 will be same. So exercise 12 will be homework. Then 13th, solve for x and y. Okay, chalo, let me do first one. 13th first one, solve for x and y. 13th first. 13th first, y plus 7 by 5. Y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to 2y plus 2y minus x is equal to 2y minus x upon 4 plus 3x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5. Okay, 3x minus 5. So let us simplify this. Let us simplify this. and get equation 1. So y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to, there I will cross multiply, 2y minus x plus 4 into 3x minus 5 divided by 4 into 1, that is 4. Denominator it is 1. So simplify, y plus 7 upon 5, y plus 7 upon 5, y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to 2y minus x, simplify that. So y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to, let us simplify, 2y minus x plus 12x minus 20 upon 4. Okay. So y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to minus x plus 12x, 11x. 3x minus 5. Okay. So 11x plus 2y minus 20 upon 4. Now you will, no problem. You cross multiply. So you'll get 4 into y plus 7 is equal to 5 into 11x plus 2y minus 20. Simplify, 4y plus 28 is equal to, open the bracket, 55x plus 10y minus 100. Okay. Now you take 4y on that side. So 28 plus 100 is equal to 55x plus 10y minus 4y. Okay. So 128 is equal to 55x plus 6y. And so this you can write, 55x plus 6y is equal to 128. This is my equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 55x plus 6y is equal to 128. Similarly, you will solve other. 7 minus 5x by 2. 7 minus 5x by 2. So you will have to get equation 2 by simplifying. What is that? 7 minus 5x by 2. 7 minus 5x by 2. Okay. Plus 3 minus 4y. Plus 3 minus 4y by 6 is equal to 5y minus 18. 5y minus 18. Let us simplify, cross multiply. 7 into 6, 42 minus 30x plus 2 into 3, 6 minus 8y upon 6 to the 12 is equal to 5y minus 18. 42, so minus 30x minus 8y plus 48 is equal to 12 into 5y minus 18. 5y minus 18. Cross multiply. So minus 30x minus 8y plus 48 is equal to 60y minus 12 into 18, 216. Now I will take 216 on this side. So 48 plus 216 is equal to 30x plus 8y plus 60y. Okay, 60y plus 8y plus 30x. So 8 plus 6, 14. 264 is equal to 30x plus 78y. Yes. So 30x plus 78y. 68. 68. 68y. 30x plus 60y is equal to 264. This is my equation number 2. So let us write equation 1 and 2 together. Yes, you can divide each by 2, no problem. divide each by 2, and that you write equation 2, no problem. You can divide each by 2, so that will be 15x plus 34y, 15x plus 34y. What is that? 15x plus 34y is equal to 132. This is my equation number 2. Okay. So let us write equation 1 and 2 together. 55x plus 6y, 55x plus 6y is equal to 128. 55x plus 6y is equal to 128 is my equation number 1. And 15x plus 34y is equal to 132 is my equation number 2. Now you make coefficient of x equal or y equal. Coefficient of x equal or y equal. Yes, so what you will do? Tell me. There it is 34, no? Yes. There it is 34. So what you will do? I will multiply this equation 1 by 34 and this equation 2 by 6, and they have same sign, plus plus, so we have to subtract. So we write 34 into equation 1, then 6 into equation 2, 6 into equation 2, 6 into equation 2. We multiply equation 2 by 6, 6 into equation 2, but they have same sign, no? Plus plus, so I will write minus. So multiply equation 1 by 34, 40, it is 1033. So further part is homework, we do it. Further part homework, do it. What is that? Yes, that you can do. See here, my dear, you should not get confused. So straight away, without thinking anything, just multiply equation 1 by this coefficient, equation 2 by this coefficient. Okay? You can do anything. Does not matter. Calculation will be big, does not matter. You can do in any way. But that calculation should be correct. That coefficient should be equal. That's all. Okay? So further part is homework. You can do it. So now we stop here. Yes. Bye. We have time, or our period is up to 10:30 or 10:40? Okay.